in my kitchen nook eat-in area today, decorating it for Christmas. Welcome and thank you for being here. My name is Lisa and I'm so glad you joined me. We're starting here on my kitchen table, building up our tablescape. The foundation is going to be this faux fur white table runner. It is so beautiful and fluffy. I got it years ago at Hobby Lobby. Knowing them, they probably still have it if you're interested in one for your own home. We're building our centerpiece here in the middle off of this wooden platter. To that, I'm adding this black crockery style vase. I am using it to build my florals that are going to be so simple, just some evergreen stems. I'm going to later add in the lighted stems from Target Dollar Spot that I shared in that haul, just to give it some sparkle and shine. The gold magnolia leaves I'm going to run down the center of the tray out onto the runner just to soften all these harsh lines that are the vase and the tray. I thrifted this book and it was the perfect find. I love the cover of it. It is absolutely beautiful in person. These bells were from Hobby Lobby. I didn't much care for the jute rope on them. I replaced that with frayed edge vintage look ribbon that came from Hobby Lobby. It comes in a variety of colors and I highly suggest it for your Christmas decorating. It is just really pretty and a nice quality ribbon. These are those lighted stems that I mentioned I got at the Target Dollar Spot for $3. They have them on Amazon too. I think if you just search for LED light stems. For my buffet cabinet, I have this greenery that came from my Texas house at Walmart. I got it last year at the end of season for 75% off. It was like $5. I shared a similar garland that I got at the same time in my Christmas kitchen video. Best time to shop is those after season sales. You can get really good deals. And of course, I had to layer some lights under there because I love Christmas lights. It makes it so cozy, warm, and inviting in your home for the holidays. To the simple white vase, I'm adding just a couple of winter stems. These are so messy though, so much glitter shed everywhere, that like frosty iridescent glitter. Hopefully they don't get touched here very often for any reason, so they shouldn't shed beyond my decorating, and it cleans up pretty easy, but if you're adverse to glitter, then these would not be for you. Do not be afraid to get in there, bend your stems, shape them, fluff them out. It just makes your arrangements look so much nicer and a little more professional. I'm not a professional, but they make it look professional. These little frosted eucalyptus leaves are just going to go here in the bottom and along the garland to soften that harsh break between the vase and the stems. I felt like it was kind of skimpy there, so I really liked the way this turned out and kind of made the vase look extra full with a lot of different texture and shapes. Found the prettiest candlesticks at Kirkland's and I got them half off. I wanted to use them here in this candle holder. I have just this trivet dish that I'm also putting a candle on. These are those special candles. They are like a little Christmas tree. So pretty and an extra special touch, but I do not want to burn these. Is anybody else like that? Do you like get a a candlestick you love and you actually don't want to burn it. Yeah, that's me with these. I just think they're pretty, and I think I can use them year after year if I wrap them and store them properly. This is a simple 3/8 inch white velvet ribbon. I'm just tying it around the base. I'm kind of on the fence if I like this. Sometimes I look at it and I do, and other times not so much. Let me know what you think. I was trying to break up that harsh line between the candlestick and the candle holder, but I'm not sure it worked. These are the most fabulous nutcrackers. They came from TJ Maxx and look really pretty here, add a lot of sparkle and shine. I have this corner china cabinet, and it is one of my favorite areas to decorate for all seasons, all holidays, just regular everyday decor. I am going to build it up here, starting with this weathered, chipped, oversized candle holder and a battery-powered candle with a remote, so I don't have to worry about getting up here to turn it off and on. This is a vintage Christmas tree. I literally have had it for so many years. I love it. It's light and feathery in texture, so I add little lights to it, and I'm going to camouflage the burlap base here in this basket. To soften this entire area, I'm going to put some greenery and some more lights up here. You just really, can you have too many Christmas lights at Christmas? Because I don't think you can. To stagger the heights and to give it some color up here in this corner, I'm layering a couple of pictures. This needlepoint came from an estate sale and I just love it. I shared it in my thrifting Christmas decor video. Place your decor, move it around, look at it at different angles and see how you like it best. You have to step back from it sometimes to see, and it is the little tiny details and attention to those placements that make your decor look high-end and professional. This black cast iron stag head came from Walmart this season. I'm going to add a little miniature wreath, which is actually a napkin ring. I snipped off a bell from a Hobby Lobby pick that was bells and tied it in the wreath with some ribbon just to give this black deer head a new and unique look. Finishing off the corner hutch here with this miniature wreath that I'm going to hang from the door pulls. I had these two small Christmas trees, but the galvanized metal pot was not really my aesthetic or decor style. These came from Hobby Lobby, but I think they still have something similar if you want to get them and recreate this look. I had this black chalk paint and this gold paint and brushes in my crafting closet. So I'm going to make these look high-end and give them a new designer look that is more my style. This is a very simple way to DIY your home decor and give it new life, make it look new, fun, and interesting. The first thing to do is just give it a very rough coat of the black chalk paint. You could use black acrylic paint, craft paint, whatever you have on hand. It does not need to be perfect, and if you see some of the silver shining through, that is okay. With this stippling brush, I'm then going to take just a little bit of the gold paint and pounce it onto the surface. It looks very spotty and not very attractive right now, but then you're going to go back with a damp paper towel, so like wet it and then wring out any excess water just so it's damp. And then you will pounce your paper towel over this gold paint while it is still wet. That will help to blend it out and give it a high-end look. It turned out so nice and looks so much better and fits in with my decorating style. You could do this on ornaments, on ceramic. You could add texture into your paint if you wanted texture on it. The possibility is endless for you to make over your Christmas decor. I got this coffee table book at an estate sale for $1, pulled off the very unattractive dust cover, and have a nice base here on my thrifted made over stool. And you can see how much better these little Christmas trees look in their pot since I did just that simple paint makeover on them. The little bell is from Hobby Lobby in their regular decor section, and that is partly what inspired me to make over the pot on my Christmas trees. I hope today's Christmas Decorate with Me in my kitchen nook dine-in area has given you a lot of inspiration and decorating ideas that are fresh and new, things you can use in your own home this Christmas season. If you enjoyed this video, I always appreciate that thumbs up, and I invite you to hit that subscribe bar, ring that notification bell so you can be reminded every time I upload. I would love to have you join my YouTube family and come back for that next video. Again, thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate you taking your precious time and spending it here with me. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. I look forward to seeing you real soon.